Welcome to the next future, your go-to source for mastering the art of affiliate marketing and staying ahead of industry trends. Let's further extend our journey through the world of affiliate marketing, offering you even more comprehensive insights, strategies, and expert guidance to empower your affiliate marketing endeavors. At the next future, our mission is to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to excel in this dynamic industry. Delving deeper into the realm of affiliate marketing. Before we delve into an even more expansive exploration of the affiliate marketing do's and don'ts, let's take a moment to fully grasp the immense potential and significance of affiliate marketing in the modern business landscape. Affiliate marketing at its core operates as a performance-based business model where you, as the affiliate marketer, promote products or services on behalf of merchants and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your marketing efforts. Understanding the key stakeholders involved, affiliates, merchants, and consumer, is paramount to appreciating the holistic value of affiliate marketing. 1. Merchants flourish. Through strategic partnerships with affiliate marketers, merchants can substantially broaden their market reach, tapping into previously unexplored customer segments, which translates into increased sales and revenue. 2. Consumers benefit. Affiliate marketing ensures that consumers gain access to products or services that genuinely cater to their needs and preferences, enhancing their overall shopping experiences and enabling them to make informed purchasing decisions. 3. Affiliates thrive. As an affiliate, you are instrumental in facilitating valuable connections between consumers and merchants. In return for your efforts, you earn commissions, creating a mutually beneficial ecosystem. Navigating the complex terrain of affiliate marketing, a comprehensive guide. The world of affiliate marketing operates within a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. To not only survive but genuinely thrive in this environment, you must be well-versed in both the best practices, affiliate marketing do's, and the potential pitfalls, affiliate marketing don'ts. Let's delve even deeper into each category. Affiliate marketing do's, a thorough exploration. 1. Meticulously select your niche. Your choice of niche is foundational. Opt for a niche that resonates with your passions and aligns with your expertise. This ensures that your content creation and promotional efforts emanate authenticity and deeply connect with your audience. 2. Invest significantly in your website. Your website serves as the digital gateway to your audience. It should exude professionalism, offer a seamless and user-friendly experience, and visually captivate visitors. A well-designed website forms the bedrock of trust building. 3. Cultivate high-caliber, valuable content. Irrespective of the content format, be it blog posts, videos, or comprehensive reviews, strive for excellence in quality. Your content should provide genuine insights and practical solutions to your audience's problems. 4. Endorse products with utmost sincerity. Your credibility is your most valuable asset. It's paramount that you only endorse products or services you genuinely believe in. Authentic recommendations resonate deeply with your audience. 5. Leverage the full potential of social media. Social media platforms are powerful tools for expanding your reach and engaging a broader audience. Harness these platforms to share your content, interact with your followers, and cultivate a vibrant community within your chosen niche. 6. Consistently analyze your data. Maintain a vigilant watch over key performance metrics, including click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall revenue. These data-driven insights empower you to fine-tune your strategies for optimal results. 7. Champion transparency. Always uphold transparency by clearly disclosing your affiliations within your content. This foundational principle fosters trust with your audience, and trust is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. 8. Collaborate and network. Building a network of like-minded affiliate marketers can open doors to new opportunities, facilitate the exchange of knowledge, and broaden your reach within your chosen niche. 9. Diversify your affiliate portfolio. Safeguard your affiliate marketing endeavors by refraining from concentrating all your efforts on a single product or service. Promote a diverse array of offerings to mitigate potential risks associated with market fluctuations. 10. Embrace long-term thinking. Realize that building a thriving and sustainable affiliate marketing business requires time and persistence. Patience and unwavering commitment are your allies in this journey. 11. Invest in ongoing education. Stay at the cutting edge of industry trends by continually expanding your knowledge. Attend webinars, engage with the affiliate marketing community, and leverage specialized tools to streamline your efforts. By meticulously adhering to these affiliate marketing do's, you're positioning yourself on the trajectory toward crafting a sustainable, profitable, and impactful affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing don'ts, navigating common pitfalls. 1. Steer clear of commission-centric promotion. Resist the allure of promoting products or services solely for the sake of earning commissions. Your audience possesses a keen ability to discern insincerity. 2. Avoid high-pressure sales tactics. The employment of aggressive marketing approaches can alienate your audience instead of engaging them. Concentrate on delivering value and building trust. 3. Prioritize quality over quantity. Resist the temptation of prioritizing quantity over quality. Flooding your site with low-quality or irrelevant content will not yield favorable results and can detrimentally impact your reputation. 4. Never conceal your affiliate links. Transparency is an unwavering requirement. Clearly and conspicuously disclose your affiliations within your content to ensure that your audience is fully aware of your involvement. 5. Avoid spammy practices. Adopt a zero-tolerance policy for spammy practices. Unsolicited emails or incessant promotions can swiftly erode trust and lead to a surge in unsubscribes. 6. Don't neglect data analysis. Neglecting the regular tracking and analysis of your performance data deprives you of valuable insights needed for continual improvement and refinement. 7. Respect legal and ethical boundaries. Familiarize yourself with the legal and ethical guidelines governing affiliate marketing. Infringing upon these regulations can have dire consequences, including legal repercussions. 8. Diversify traffic sources. Over-reliance on a single traffic source leaves your affiliate marketing efforts vulnerable to sudden algorithm changes or shifts in consumer behavior. Diversify your traffic channels to mitigate these risks. 9. Embrace adaptability. The affiliate marketing landscape is characterized by constant evolution. Rather than resisting change, embrace it and remain adaptable to stay ahead in the industry. 10. Celebrate your successes. It's vital to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Doing so serves as motivation to continue pushing forward and growing in your affiliate marketing journey. 11. Ethical compliance is non-negotiable. Comply with ethical standards and legal regulations in all your affiliate marketing activities. Ethical conduct not only protects you from legal issues, but also fosters a trustworthy image. By vigilantly avoiding these affiliate marketing don'ts, you will not only build a brand that exudes trustworthiness, but also maintain a loyal audience that eagerly awaits your insights and recommendations. Steering clear of these common pitfalls ensures the longevity of your affiliate marketing endeavors. In conclusion, navigating the world of affiliate marketing. In this comprehensive guide, we have embarked on an even more extensive exploration of affiliate marketing do's and don'ts, providing you with a deeper understanding of the strategies and potential challenges within this dynamic industry. Affiliate marketing is not merely a means to make money, it's a conduit for providing value to your audience and cultivating enduring relationships. As you progress in your affiliate marketing endeavors, always strive for authenticity, transparency, and adaptability. Keep learning, stay ethical, and continue delivering value to your audience. Success in affiliate marketing is not an endpoint, but an ongoing journey of growth and refinement. If you have found this extensive guide valuable, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Join our ever-expanding community of affiliate marketing enthusiasts and position yourself at the forefront of this continually evolving industry. Thank you for being an integral part of the next future, where we empower you with the knowledge and strategies to achieve unparalleled success in the world of affiliate marketing.